Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replay TradingView shorts. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in TradingView and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, we have the sections like products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. And here in the center, you're going to find a search bar. It says search markets here. If you click right here, you can find a list that includes all of the markets. If you want to see only stocks, for example, you can filter the list. You can see stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, and economy. Here in the right, you're going to find your watch list. You can also switch to the red list. You can import a list or you can create a new list. From here, you can see your account, your profile settings, and so on. For example, I'm going to see Apple charts by clicking right here, and it will take me to another window. So from here, you can see all the currencies. Here you can see the stock on the super charts. And right here, as you can see, guys, this is the graphic of the chart. You can get widgets. You can see by area, see by candles. You can take a snapshot from here and you can launch the full chart view. So I'm going to click on launch full chart view and it will take me to this page. Basically guys, in order to replay TradingView charts, all you need to do guys is you go right here to the top. You're going to find a replay button. Click right here and from here you can replay. As you can see guys, you can jump to previous time. You can select the starting points like this. And as you can see guys, this is how you can replay the chart. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.